Good morning. And owie. And owie. Owie. And owie. Mommy bắp mũi con. Mommy bắp mũi con. No? No? Why? Why? Owie! Mommy bắp mũi. No? Ok, con bắp mũi đi. Con bắp mũi đi. Owie! Bắp mũi, bắp mũi, bắp mũi. Owie! Thương mommy? Oh, poor baby. Hug mommy. Hug mommy. Thank you, Preston. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Hug mama. We're going on a lion hunt. Whoa! We're going on a lion hunt. Oh my goodness. We're going on a lion hunt. Oh my goodness, so scary. You're scary. Is that what lion does, Gong? Roar! What's doggy do? What does the cow do? And the sheep? Okay. What about the baby? What about the Preston? Oh, okay, no. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dee.
Bye-bye.
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 Hey guys, it's Wednesday, March 14th, 12:56 p.m. I don't know if I'm having contractions or what the deal is, but I'm feeling very uncomfortable, nauseous, a lot of pressure. I'm having a hard time breathing. I think I'm having contractions. They're not comfortable, but mostly I feel very nauseous, like I want to throw up. Okay, I'm actually gonna take a quick shower and do my hair and makeup and stuff, and maybe go to the hospital and see what's going on. Yesterday I went to get a checkup, and my doctor said that I was 3 centimeters dilated and 50% effaced, so it could be any minute now. And actually tomorrow I'm supposed to get induced. So you guys, I feel a lot of pressure and I gotta take a shower. Okay, I'll see you soon. Hey guys, what time is it?
2:53.
It's 2:53 right now, and I'm at the hospital. So I was feeling contractions this morning, and they were on and off, but nothing serious. And then I was feeling a lot of pressure, and then I took a shower because I started feeling the contractions even more, and I wanted to get ready in case I needed to go to the hospital. So I took a shower, and then in the shower, oh my lord, you guys, I was freezing to death. I was like shivering, and then I didn't want to get out of the shower because the hot water felt so good, but I finally got out of the shower after a super long and hot shower, and I was freezing so bad. I couldn't even move, and I had goosebumps, and my mouth was like and it was just a really horrible feeling because it's like a fever, you know. So you're hot and you're cold, and I was freezing. So anyway, I decided to go to the hospital just in case it was something serious, because that's not a pre-labor symptom. So I went to the hospital and now I'm here. The doctor said that I'm still 3 centimeters dilated, and it could be that I'm just really dehydrated, and that's why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling. So they put an IV in me, so I've got an IV going. I'm underneath my jacket right now because I'm still freezing to death. The baby's heart rate is a little bit high, and so is mine. It's like at 175 right now. Before it was like at 180, but it's switching back and forth between 170 and 180. They took some blood. They're gonna do some lab work and see what's going on with me. And the nurse said that if it's just dehydration, then I can go home. But if not, then they're gonna keep me and induce me because I'm getting induced tomorrow anyway. So that's kind of the update, guys. And I had enough time to like do my makeup a little bit, but not my hair. My hair is still wet and it's cold. It's freezing. It's just doing a little update for you. So it's 5:50 and I feel a million times better. The fever is gone. Well, I still have like a 99, which isn't bad, but at least I'm not having like hot and cold shivers, which was the worst. You guys, I don't like having those hot and cold flashes, but they have moved me to my room. They decided to go ahead and keep me because they said that I have some sort of infection, and so they drew about 40 mLs of blood from 2 different sections. One here and one here. The nurse was explaining to me that they're going to like culture it or something like that. They're sending it to the lab, and then they're going to make sure that it isn't an infection, or it is an infection. So it takes about 24 hours to do the whole process, but they wanted to get it as soon as possible. They decided to keep me because the baby's heart rate was pretty high. It was actually like 70, 80, and then it jumped up to 90, which is not very safe. So they went ahead and admitted me. I'm now in my room and I am hooked up to an IV over here. They're monitoring the baby and me, and my pulse is high and I'm getting swollen. See? Swollen. Didn't even get a chance to do my hair, you guys, but I'm feeling a lot better, so I'm gonna try to curl it, at least do something. Look decent, you know, because can't go out looking like that. Yeah, but I feel a ton better, like 1000%. Earlier I was just like shivering so hard I couldn't even walk, and I was like crying because it just felt so horrible. So my mom is coming tomorrow. P is over at one of my friend's house, and also let's see what else is going on. Oh, they're gonna give me Pitocin soon. So my dreams of having a natural birth is down the drain because, girl, once that Pitocin hits, it's not a joke, okay? It pushes your body into labor like crazy. It literally multiplies the pain times like 1,000. And I'm not looking forward to the epidural either. They're not allowing me to eat anymore and I'm starving, but I got snuck 2 tater tots, so don't tell anybody. They just started Pitocin on me. I'm really scared because last time Pitocin hit, you guys, it was crazy. So anyway, I brought my hair stuff, so I'm gonna do my hair right now. I just did a swab check in my nose to see if I have the flu, and that swab went like all the way up and like down my throat. It was very uncomfortable. But yeah, so they gave me Pitocin, and now I'm starting to feel the contractions come on a little bit. Pain level is like at a 2 out of 10. Baby's heart rate is at 146, which is really good because earlier his heart rate was like at 180, so it was a little bit high. They said that they're going to break my water later and try to have this baby soon. So I just got the epidural and I was having contractions 2 minutes apart, and she said that the reason why it was like so close together was because they were pumping fluids inside of me. But now I guess they're like 4 minutes apart, but they're gonna break my water soon. And just a little tip, if you guys are sensitive to medication, ask for the minimal dosage of the epidural, because the last time I did that too, and I still felt pressure, and I was able to push and feel what I was pushing. This time I told them that I'm very, very, very sensitive to medication and that I only want the bare minimal dosage of the epidural. And so that's what the anesthesiologist did. And this time, actually, it didn't hurt as bad as last time. I remember last time when I got the epidural, it was horrible. I sat up and I was shaking because I was having like a fever. And so when you get an epidural, you're not supposed to move at all because it can be really dangerous. So this time the anesthesiologist apparently wanted me to be in a laying down position. So I was laying on my left side. I was kind of curled up into a ball. He gave me the epidural and it only hurt the initial poke. That hurt a lot. And then also when he dispersed the medication into my body, that was pretty painful too, because you can feel the medication just like going into your bloodstream. The doctor just came and broke my water. So she checked me and I'm 3 or 3.5 centimeters dilated. Not much going on. They're gonna let me relax here and try to get some rest and then see how the baby progresses. And I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have the baby in the next 5 hours or so. I'm sitting up, like straight up. See? Yeah, don't really know what's going on. Don't think I'm really dilated, but I feel my contractions, and I don't think I'm supposed to be feeling my contractions. Here's one right now. It's a lot of pressure. Yeah, I don't know if I'm not supposed to be feeling it like this. The epidural is supposed to help, but I keep pressing the button to get more epidural, and I don't know if it's working. So I've pressed it like 5 times already, and I still feel the contraction. So I don't know. It's good news. It's 4:45. I'm freezing right now, but dilated to a 9. Had a little bloody show. The epidural situation is that they turned it. It was originally at a 10. The anesthesiologist turned it down to a 6. But then I started feeling my contractions really bad. Only on my left side. They turned it up to 8. But now my right leg is like completely numb. Like it's just like a piece of meat. Like I cannot even move it, so it sucks. But anyway, we're gonna have this baby soon. Yay, bye. I'm having the chills pretty bad. Part of the labor hormones. And also the baby is not facing down. He's kind of like sideways a little bit, so they stuck a ball between my legs to hopefully get him to turn. So the ball's right there. Right now, it's underneath here, the giant ball. So, sorry, I'm shaking so bad. Okay, I gotta go. I'm shaking too bad.
Well, I barely put my fingers and I felt a head, so I figured he turned enough to get down to there.
And push. There you go. Good job. And this one is done.
Looks like this.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Hey guys, it is 9:20 and I delivered the baby at around 5:45. When she came in to check me, I guess his head was like right there. So she's like, oh, it's time. So like the whole crew came in quick. And I guess I pushed him for like 5 or 10 minutes and we did skin to skin. And then they took him to the table over there, and he was having like problems breathing, so he's in the Nicu right now and Dad's over there with him. But they said that there's just like fluids in his lungs, so they just have to make sure that he's okay. But the doctor said that he looks good. You know, it's just that he is having problems breathing, so they took him to the NICU, and you know, keeping an eye on him over there. He's gonna be fine, you guys. Like, he's gonna be fine. It's not a big deal. Yeah, he's gonna be fine. So right now, I have the nurse going over to the NICU to see, like, if I can go up there to nurse him or pump and give him something to eat, because it's been like 3 hours and he hasn't eaten yet. So yeah, that's what's going on.